Welcome. If you want to download pictures or photos from Instagram on your Xiaomi Redmi K30S, at first you have to be logged into your Instagram account, and of course you have to select the picture that you want to download. So I will take maybe this one. After that you have to go for the Play Store and we have to download second application, Repost for Instagram. We have to get this application from Kimsi929. So let's install. Right now we can open. Here we get the two ways how we can share this, save this pictures. So let's go for our Instagram. Then I'm going to use three dots in the right upper corner, click share, and right now we have to find our repost application. Of course it's right here, but if in your case you don't have this application here, you have to swipe on the right side and you will find it here. So I take it, and right now we have to go back to this app, and in this post were two photos, but we remaining on this one, so click. We can take off this signature by clicking right here, and also to save this photo you have to click on the middle button. And after that, when we open our gallery or file manager, wherever you go, here you'll find this photo. So that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel. See ya!